The MTOs! The perfect snack.
Give me a second, I need to get my crackers on. My friends are in the Walmart buying cheese from some guy named John. My love is she is waiting for me just around the block. I'm anxious to get my cheese and crackers. Hope it's not a rocket. I know I had taste for you years ago. I will never forget. So between the Ritz and creamy cheese, will you let me have you please? They are trying hard to hold me back. So if by the time my friends come and I don't have any cheese, I'll cry myself to sleep. I want cheese to make the perfect snack, worthy of a plaque so complete. To sleep, I want cheese to make the perfect snack, worthy of a plaque so complete. I know that I can't compare you to my aunts. I guess that I just thought there would be ways it wouldn't be apart. My friends are back, I am well checked, so I'm gonna have to cry myself to sleep. I want cheese to make the perfect snack, worthy of a plaque so complete. To sleep, I want cheese to make the perfect snack, worthy of a plaque so complete. Have to cry myself to sleep. I want cheese to make the perfect snack, worthy of a plaque so complete. To sleep, I want cheese to make the perfect snack, worthy of a plaque so complete. So if by the time my friends come and I don't have any cheese, I'll cry myself to sleep.
The show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they were